Welcome to the REAP Conservation Education Program video tutorial of the components of the grant application. This video will highlight the SlideRoom online grant submission confirmation, the very end of your project when you're ready to submit and be done with editing your application. So each time that you log in and work on the different components and pieces of the forms and items on the left-hand side, you'll be able to work your way through those, move around as you need to, save and come back along the way. Additionally, in step 2 was any portfolio items, additional items that you wish to submit, up to you. You have up to 5 options or none if you wish not to include anything. I just included a graphic on this one. And then step 3 at the top of the page is to submit. Before you are allowed to submit, the system's going to be able to help you and say, hey, there's a portion missing. And so it's saying this section I have not completed. So that'll hyperlink us back to that, or you can choose at the top of the page forms. Along the left-hand side, you can see where there is not a green check mark that we have achieved all the different areas. So a couple different ways to get there. So if you are trying to submit, it will not let you because it's saying there's an area not completed. So we're going to go back to that area. And the nice feature is it's going to tell us exactly which thing is missing. Question number 1 is incomplete. Oh, that's right. I have not acknowledged that piece for us. So I'm going to acknowledge it and make sure there's nothing else, and there isn't. I'm going to save my changes and be able to move forward. We'll now find that for all the different pieces on the left-hand side have their green check marks that we have achieved. We also see at the top that the 1, 2, 3 areas, there's a green check mark for the forms. The portfolio's been done. Now I think I'm ready to submit. Or I could choose to save and say, I'm going to come back to it tomorrow and look at it one more time before the deadline. You have all the way up to the deadline to be able to submit your information. At that time, I said, you know what, I think I am ready. I am done. I feel comfortable. I'm good. I'm going to submit my application for us. You'll receive a confirmation notice. You'll have the option to be able to print that confirmation. It'll pull up that information for you to be able to print in the manner that you see fit if you wish. You can also copy your application, where it's going to take everything out that you had submitted and put in, all your forms, your letters of support, all your entries, all the different information that you have provided, and put it into one document for you. You can save it as a PDF if you want, or print it off. Those are options for you. And so you're like, okay, now I'm done. The next time that you log in, it's going to show that you have a completed item already in there, that it was completed for this item on this date, and that you can be able to view that information if you would like to view that more. You can see, again, it'll take you back to that confirmation and the ability to print. So you don't have to do it exactly at that time. It'll always be in the system for you as you log in for it. So that is a summarization of the submission component and be able to get a confirmation. As always, have questions, let us know. We're here to help. Thanks.